Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a 3-ingredient cake. Hope you guys like it. So first of all, in a big bowl, crack 3 eggs and beat it until everything is just mixed. This will be very quick. It will take around 30 seconds. Once the eggs are all mixed up, you can add a half cup of white sugar and beat it all together. This time it's going to take a while because we need to become really light and fluffy, so it will take around 8 to 10 minutes. So just keep beating. The prep time for this cake will literally take you under 15 minutes. It's so easy and it only needs 3 ingredients, which is amazing. And it tastes delicious too. Now we're going to serve 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. The reason we're doing this is that there are no lumps formed in the cake. I will post all the ingredients down below, including the gram measurements, so go check the description box if you missed anything in this video. Now we're going to add the flour to the wet ingredients. This step is very important. Make sure you fold the flour very gently, and this will help you create a light, fluffy consistency. Brush the cake tin with some butter, so make sure you brush all the sides and the bottom. Pour the batter into the cake tin. And before putting it in the oven, make sure you tap it and shake it around so it spreads evenly. And then bake it for 45 minutes in your preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius. The cake is ready. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is a super duper easy and it only uses 3 ingredients. Bye!